Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be unboxing and trying on products from the Boxycharm March Base Box and Spring Luxe Box. This month's base box theme is Planet Woman. Let's take a look at what's inside. We have the First Aid Beauty 2-in-1 Cleansing Oil and Makeup Remover, Dew of the Gods Feels Dry Erase Facial Scrub, Koa Life Niacinamide Booster, Belle en Argent Tinted Lip Balm, and the Beaute Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. Now let's see what we have inside the Spring Luxe box. We have the Verb Moringa and Jojoba Hair Treatment Oil, Truly Coco Rose Fudge Whipped Body Butter, Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow, Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Nirvana Eyeshadow Palette, LYS Beauty Complexion Brush Duo, Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette, KVD Tattoo Pencil Liner in Pyrolusite Brown, and the Uoma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. Now that we've unboxed everything, let's try out some of the products we received. First, I'm exfoliating with the Dew of the Gods Feels Face Scrub. I already have the mini version of this that I received in the January Ipsy Glam bag. It's definitely a more harsh exfoliant with thick silica crystals, so there's no need to scrub very hard. Next, I'm trying the Fenty Skin Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing 10% AHA treatment. It comes with this reusable applicator that wraps around your hand and feels like a textured cotton pad. This treatment is supposed to clarify, purify, and smooth skin. It says to scrub the face for about 30 to 60 seconds. Just rinse that off and my skin feels incredibly soft but also kind of dry after that. After that, I'm applying the Koa Life Niacinamide Booster. This serum claims to brighten skin and treat hyperpigmentation. Key ingredients are niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, and aloe vera. My skin was desperately needing some hydration after that treatment, so this is great. Now let's take a look at the Pat McGrath Labs Celestial Nirvana Eyeshadow Palette. This is my first Pat McGrath palette, so I'm pretty excited. Let's swatch it. It looks super promising. First, I'm dipping into the matte shade. I'm applying this to the front of the crease and outer V. It blends super easy. Now I'm picking up this shimmer shade. I'm applying this to the center of the lid. The shimmers definitely live up to their hype. Next, we have the Beaute Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. This is a cream contour palette. Let's swatch it. I can already tell it's super creamy. I'm going to use this medium shade. I'm using the Sculpt Bronzer brush from the LYS Beauty Complexion Brush Duo to apply it. It's gliding on smoothly and blending effortlessly. I'm really impressed with this one. It's so easy to apply. After that, I'm using the Iconic London Multi-Use Lip and Cheek Palette. This palette features 6 multi-use shades. Let's swatch it. The swatches don't really show up very well, so I'm not sure how pigmented this is going to be. I'm using the LYS foundation brush to apply the second shade. It's super creamy and emollient, but not very pigmented. It is buildable, but then it gets kind of patchy. For mascara, I'm using the Uoma Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Mascara. This mascara has an hourglass-shaped wand with tightly packed bristles. This is the shade Chem, which is just a standard black, but it also comes in blue, which is pretty neat. I like how it looks on my bottom lashes, but it's definitely weighing my top lashes down. Finally, for lips, I'm going back to that Iconic London Lip and Cheek palette and applying the same shade we used earlier. It's giving just a subtle tint to the lips. Here's the finished look using products from the Boxycharm March Base Box and Spring Luxe Box. Let me know your thoughts on this month's products in the comments below, and as always, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.